This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Jeanette Sainer. Beautiful rural, level, 0.63 acre lot offers this improved 3-bedroom ranch home in Greenwood School District. May 2021 new Crownwood Custom Kitchen and laminate floor. Restored yellow pine floor in main bedroom. Same wood under other 2 bedrooms carpet, 3-season porch. Most of interior was repainted this spring. Plenty of accessible attic storage 40 by 14 flooring with convenient steps from eat and kitchen/dining combo. Just 3.9 mile from center of Millerstown. New patio door to enclosed porch. Attached 2-car carport. Tuscarora Mountain views. Tour and call me home. Cash or conventional loans only. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeanette Sainer at 717-436-8200.